Here's a tiny tutorial of how to paint people who are far away. So first I'm going to just make a ground line to show where the ground is. Get a little bit of green paint here. Doesn't have to be green, that's just the color I'm grabbing. And I'm painting a quick ground line, kind of like a horizon line. So my tiny people who are very far away, they won't have much detail because they are far away. And I'm going to choose just any old kind of dark color to show those people. Maybe I'll just take these colors that are already right here. And I learned this trick from another artist on YouTube. This is called carrot people, I think was what the guy said. And he just paints a carrot and if you've ever pulled a carrot straight out of the ground, you'd see that it has roots. It's not just one, a lot of times it has some little roots. And you make your little carrot people and then give them a head. And that's a super easy way to paint people who are far away from you, because you're not going to show a lot of details. If you're looking at people that are very far away, they kind of just look like little blobs with heads. So we don't get stressed out, we just paint them with not many details at all. Sometimes you can't even tell that they have legs. They just look like they're narrow at the bottom and a little bit wider at the top. Paint a little person down here. Give him a head. Looks like he must be wearing a hat. I'm not sure what's going on. And you could even show them in action, like if a person's running. It's more of a bent carrot. But when people are far away, don't get stressed out about the details that you're painting. Just make little carrot people.